Welcome to Bord&Stift. Hi, I'm Charlotte. At Bord&Stift, we like to keep things simple. As you can probably tell by our name, it means whiteboard and marker in Dutch. Ironically, we love complex stories because they give us something to get our teeth into. Our whiteboard animations explain complex issues in a simple way, using inspiring visuals. Our inspiration is Richard Feynman, a quirky physicist, just like me. His eyebrows should be a bit thicker. Feynman is known as the Great Explainer. His motto was, focus on the essentials, not on the frills. That's exactly what we do too. We don't produce marketing films, but we're stars when it comes to explaining things clearly. Bord&Stift started out low-key and very small. My bedroom served as our film studio. Now, just a few years later, we have offices on the Haarlemmerstraat in Amsterdam, and I've assembled a team of 30 amazing freelancers around me. Highly qualified writers, artists, filmmakers, editors, and voice actors. Together, we make up Bord&Stift, and we've already produced videos for over 100 clients. So, what's the process when you make a film with us? First, we meet with you to get to know each other. Once we've agreed on a price, we can really get started.
I meet with you to ask about every last detail. Using that information, I write the script. It goes back and forth a few times until you're completely happy with it.
Ba 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 ba! Meanwhile, I've warmed up my vocal cords so I can record the text.
We have a variety of voices on offer,
so there's bound to be one that suits you.
Time to illustrate! Different artists have different styles. We can add extra color to the illustrations and we never argue about who gets to draw. It's your choice. We'll create a storyboard that shows you which images illustrate which sentences. Once you're completely happy, I go into the studio.
I film while the storyboard artist draws the storyboard step by step. This takes about 4 to 8 hours. While editing, I reduce all those hours of footage down to a video that lasts around 3 minutes and make sure that everything looks perfect.
During the production process, you have plenty of opportunity to provide feedback. After all, it's your video. You should feel proud of it. Oh, and another thing. Besides whiteboard animations, we also draw live at conferences and meetings. And we give drawing workshops to help people think visually, so that you can work creatively on issues that are important to your organization. Curious? Feel free to call or email us, and you're always welcome for tea or coffee at our fun-loving offices.